Yes, there are limitations on the number of twin breakers, also known as tandem breakers, that can be installed in a residential panel board. Typically, the maximum number of tandem breakers is limited to 50% of the panel board's total busbar capacity. For example, if the panel board has a busbar rating of 200 amps, the maximum number of twin breakers that can be installed is 100 amps, representing that 50% limitation. Some electrical codes also specify a maximum number of tandem breakers allowed in a panel board, regardless of the busbar capacity. This maximum number varies depending on the code and jurisdiction, but it typically ranges from around 12 to 16 tandem breakers. Also important to consider, some panel board manufacturers may have specific limitations on the number of tandem breakers that can be installed in their products, so checking those specifications is crucial. Tandem breakers can generate more heat than standard single breakers, so it's important to ensure that there is adequate space in the panel board for proper heat dissipation. This is necessary to prevent overheating and potential safety hazards. The number of tandem breakers that can be installed is also influenced by the load and the circuits they are supplying. If the circuits will be heavily loaded, it's generally better to use single breakers to avoid overloading the busbars and ensure reliable performance of the electrical system. To reiterate, here are some important considerations. 1. Panel board manufacturer specifications. Check the panel board's labeling or manufacturer's documentation for any specific limitations on the use of tandem breakers. 2. Heat dissipation. Make sure that installing tandem breakers will not compromise the panel board's ability to dissipate heat effectively. 3. Circuit load. Evaluate the load on each circuit to ensure that tandem breakers are appropriate for the application and do not create an overload situation. It's always best to consult with a qualified electrician to determine the maximum number of tandem breakers that can be safely installed in a specific panel board. The electrician can properly evaluate all of the relevant factors and ensure that the installation complies with all applicable electrical codes and safety standards.